What's up, everyone? Today I want to talk about one of the most common yet totally fascinating insects out there, the fly. Now I know what you're thinking: flies are gross and annoying, so why should we care about learning more about them? Well, hold your horses, because flies are way cooler than you might realize. There are actually over 110,000 known species of flies worldwide. They've adapted to live in all sorts of environments, from deserts to rainforests to the Arctic. Even though they seem pretty simple, flies are super complex little creatures. For example, flies have insane reaction speeds thanks to their wild compound eyes, which give them a huge field of vision. They can also taste food with their feet, walk on ceilings, and communicate with each other using pheromones. Oh, and by the way, some flies can reach speeds up to 8 kilometers per hour while flying way faster than you'd expect for such a tiny bug. Some species of flies are pollinators, helping plants reproduce. But it's true, some flies can be pesky and spread disease by landing on rotten stuff and then on your food. That's why you gotta keep your space clean and flight-proof. Overall, flies are just trying to survive and thrive like any other creature. If you take time to look closer, they really are marvels of evolution with their intricate biology and behaviors. Who knows, maybe flies will be the next big inspiration for future robotic designs and technologies. Alright, that's my quick intro on the cool world of flies. Let me know in the comments down below if you want me to cover more gross bugs and creepy crawlers in the future. Smash that like button if you learned something new today. This is your boy Evan signing off for now, and I'll catch you on the next video. Fly high! Now I want to share the 10 facts about a fly. The fact 1. Flies can fly very fast, up to 8 kilometers per hour, which is amazing for such tiny insects. They achieve such speed thanks to their high wing beat frequency, which can reach 200 beats per second. The flight speed also depends on the fly species. Some can fly even faster. The ability for swift flight helps flies maneuver quickly, avoid danger, and forage for food. The fact 2. Flies have complex faceted eyes, comprised of thousands of individual lenses, giving them an almost 360-degree view. This eye structure allows them to see a large number of objects simultaneously, which is crucial during flight. In addition, a fly's eyes are motion sensitive, making it easier to track prey and avoid hazards. The fact 3. Thanks to specialized pads on their feet, covered in hairs and secretions, flies can easily walk on walls and ceilings. These pads hold the fly to the surface through microscopic attraction forces between molecules. The fly can regulate the strength of this attraction to stay in place or walk forward. The fact 4. Despite the lack of eyelids, flies can sleep by temporarily switching off parts of the brain that process visual information. During this time they remain still, their eyes appear shut although they technically remain open. This kind of sleep allows flies to rest and conserve energy without losing the ability to quickly react to external stimuli. The fact 5. Flies live between 2 weeks and 1 month, rapidly maturing, reproducing, and laying eggs during this short time. This quick life cycle ensures population numbers even under adverse conditions. Females lay up to 500 eggs in their lifetime, from which larvae hatch. The fact 6. Carrying disease-causing microorganisms on their bodies and feet, flies can spread infections by landing on food and objects. The most common diseases spread by flies include dysentery, cholera, typhoid, and parasitic worms. Therefore, maintaining proper hygiene and preventing fly contact with food and people is crucial. The fact 7. Flies have taste receptors on their feet, allowing them to sample a surface before deciding whether the thing they landed on is suitable for eating. This ability helps flies find nutritious food sources for feeding and breeding. The fact 8. Using pheromones, flies can communicate information to each other, attract mates, signal danger, mark food sources. Pheromones are insect-secreted chemicals that convey signals to others of the same species. They allow flies to interact efficiently. The fact 9. Flies see the world completely differently than humans in a broader spectrum, including ultraviolet. Also, their eyes record images at a much higher rate than the human eye. This allows flies to notice objects and motion that the human eye cannot detect. The fact 10. There exists a staggering number of diverse fly species, over 110,000 worldwide. They adapted to survive in various conditions: tropics, deserts, the Arctic. This demonstrates the resilience and adaptability of flies as a biological group.